Let's check out a bunch of tips you can try out at home. Unpleasant smell coming off the dishwasher? Pour in some mild bleach and run an empty wash. It really works! Microwave popcorn? Do it like this. A quick and tasty snack. Perfect for home movie nights. This is the correct way to put up curtains. Much better. Keep your plastic bags neat using this simple tip. Handy! Try this tip with micellar water. Wow! Here is a DIY tool for cleaning tight spaces. Try it out on the radiators. Perfectly cleaned. Stubborn marks? Problem solved! Removing hair stuck in a brush can be a real nightmare. Remove them quickly using a hair grip. Fantastic! These scented foil balls are an effective, cheap alternative to traditional fabric softeners. The aluminum reduces static electricity, while the essential oils release a pleasant scent. Your laundry will be dry, soft, fragrant, and wrinkle-free.